What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here at MarineMax, Texas MasterCraft. Today, we're going to walk through a 2023 Crest Classic LX 220. This has a 150 horsepower Mercury on the back, so it's going to push you guys around great for tubing or just getting across the water. Let's climb inside and check it out. So inside the boat here, you'll see that we have a pretty standard pontoon layout for our seating option here. There is storage underneath all of the seats across the boat, so you guys have plenty of room to stick any life jackets, fenders, whatever you guys have. As we work forward, you'll see we do have the dual captain's chairs. Great spots for the co-pilot to hang out there. Plenty of comfort with the armrests. Here we do have the option for the pop-up table as well, so you can set out some drinks or some snacks there while you guys are out in the water. Here on the dash, we do have, you see, we have our head unit, our analog dials, wireless phone charger, and the standard cooled cup holder for Crest, which is a great feature for the captain. Storage underneath the helm here. It's pretty roomy down there, so you have plenty of room for probably a great spot for the fenders. As we work forward here, you'll see we do have the integrated cooler, slide out cooler there. And that is removable too, so you can take it to the house, load it up with your drinks, and then bring it to the boat and put it in its spot there. This is, again, a Crest Classic 220D or LX. This is one of the Crests that we have in stock. We have other options for size or seating arrangements. Hop onto MarineMax.com. You can see all the pictures and videos of those online. If you guys have any questions outside of that, call me, Jake Jones, at 682-282-9969. Thank you.